How to tell you're ready to start your own business. Thinking about starting a new business? Running a company can be an amazing adventure, and it can even give you more security than a regular day job. Being your own boss may sound like heaven on earth, but what you have to remember is that it's still a lot of hard work. But how do you know that you are ready to take a leap of faith and start your own venture? We've given a few tips. It might be time for you to just go for it. 1. You strongly believe in your idea. In order to create a successful business, you have to trust in yourself and in your business idea. You did enough market research and figured there is a real need for the product or service you're going to offer. You thought about how to position it in the market. You know about the industry and you're sure that people are going to pay for it. If you have strong faith that your idea will work and that your product or service will turn into a profitable business, then you're likely being able to pass on this faith also to other team members. Before move on to the next step, if you found value on this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. 2. You have a business plan. You've done the work. You've outlined just how you'll run this thing. You know the numbers. You will not be able to run a business without a solid business plan. If you've yet to execute this all-important task, it might be time to pump the brakes on the idea you're excited about until you can see what the big picture is. 3. You're aware of the risks. Starting and running your own business involves many risks. You could lose your entire seed capital, which most likely comes out of your own pocket. You might end up spending much less time with your family and friends, and they might even criticize you for what you are doing. Keep in mind that your business may require a long phase of hard work in order to make it a success. If you're aware of these risks and are ready to face them, it's a good sign that you might be ready to start your own business. Just give it a try. 4. You should understand the competition. Start your own business stadium. You've always wanted to own a coffee shop. The problem is, there are already 3 in your neighborhood. Once you start your own business, how will it stand out? What do you have to offer that your competitors don't? This will be important to factor into your business plan. 5. You're not afraid to fail. Think about a time that really changed you. It probably wasn't when everything was smooth sailing, but rather a difficult period in your life, a failure or mishap. Failure is an inevitable part of life that also builds character and makes us stronger. No matter how hard you work, failures are inevitable when starting your very first business. The key to success is in embracing those failures, learning from them what not to do in the future, and continuing to push through. 6. You enjoy learning and personal growth. You have an open mind and the right skill set to start your own business? Remember, it's not just enough that you're able to create a great product. You also need to be a good communicator, a good decision maker, and a good boss. If you put all the responsibilities on your staff, and you yourself are hesitating to take tough calls and meetings, your business will suffer. Some lucky people have natural talent in these fields, but others should have the will for learning them. Entrepreneurs are the people who are learning constantly new skills and have contact with many different people to learn from. Start your business only if you are ready for this journey, and if you have a growth mindset. If you like this video, please subscribe and write your questions on comment section. Thank you for watching.